Is Face ID giving you the move iPhone a little lower/higher error? No need to worry, you're not alone. This usually happens when Face ID struggles to scan your face due to something like the position of your phone or environmental factors. But don't stress, I've got you covered with some simple solutions to get it working again. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Enable True Tone and adjust your position. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap and hold the brightness slider. Turn on the True Tone feature by tapping the toggle. Now head to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode to continue. After that, try adjusting the position of your iPhone in front of your face. Keep it at a comfortable, natural distance and angle. Make sure your room has enough lighting to help the camera work better. Lastly, check that the True Depth camera is not obstructed by anything like a case or screen protector. Solution 2. Enable important settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Scroll down a bit further and select Face ID and Attention. Now make sure the following options are enabled. Require attention for Face ID. Attention aware features. Also turn on haptic feedback on successful authentication. If these settings are already enabled, try turning them off, wait a moment and then turn them back on. Solution 3. Clean the camera lens. Take a look at the True Depth camera located at the top of your iPhone to check for any dust, dirt or smudges. Gently clean the lens with a soft lint-free cloth. After cleaning, try setting up Face ID again to see if the error is gone. Solution 4. Reset Face ID. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode, then tap on Reset Face ID. Follow the prompts to re-register your face. Solution 5. Update iOS to the latest version. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General, then tap Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. Updating your device can fix any software-related issues that may be causing the Face ID error. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the move iPhone a little lower/higher Face ID error and get it working perfectly again. Let me know if any of these solutions helped or if you have any more questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Catch you in the next one.